This is the orange list. Number 1 is athlete. The athlete won the gold medal at the Olympics. Number 2 is control. You need to put a dog on your leash to control it while it's outside at the park. Number 3 is poet. The poet shared a wonderful poem with his class. Number 4 is monster. The toddler was afraid that there was a monster in the bed. Number 5 is halfway. Walk halfway to your desk and then come right back. Number 6 is area. We have an area in our room where much of the silent reading takes place. Number 7 is cruel. It's cruel to say we'll have an extra recess and then not do it. Number 8 is kingdom. The entire kingdom was excited to wave hello to the king. Number 9 is pilgrim. The pilgrim just wanted to start a new life in a new land. Number 10 is complete. After you complete your test, please put it into the inbox. Number 11 is video. We're going to watch a video that shows how a seed germinates. Number 12 is riot. There was a riot in the lunchroom when Mr. Macaulay said that there would be no dessert. Number 13 is kitchen. We're going to eat breakfast in the kitchen. Number 14 is English. We speak English. However, at 10:15, you learn Spanish. Number 15 is idea. If you have an idea, please share it with the class. Number 16 is inspect. Mr. Williams will inspect your shoes to make sure they can be worn in the gymnasium. Number 17 is create. Miss Jones said we're going to create a mural. Number 18 is children. The children gathered in the auditorium for the concert. Number 19 is pumpkin. I carved a pumpkin on Halloween. Number 20 is mushroom. I would like a sausage and mushroom pizza, please. Number 21 is trial. The burglar went to trial and found out that he was guilty. Number 22 is 100. The new game system costs $300. Number 23 is lion. The zookeeper fed the lion. Number 24 is diet. The lion is a carnivore, so its diet is made up of meat.